In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can add and edit error bars in your graph in Excel. So here we have a graph, total sales, and we want to add error bars. So to do this, we click on the graph, click plus, and then you're going to see chart elements pop up. And with the list of chart elements, you can click error bars. And as you can see, some default error bars will pop up. But now one thing to keep in mind though is there's actually a lot of flexibility when it comes to editing and formatting your error bars and with different options that Excel has for these. So to see these options, click this little right arrow right here, and then you can have your error be based on standard error, percentage, or standard deviation, which is great because it allows you to get more flexibility in your errors that you want to see. So standard deviation, for example, and then we can now click cost more options and to see a greater flexibility of options. So we can add error bars to individual pieces of data or individual sets. So let's say you wanted to add error bars to Bob, you can then click OK. And after selecting a series, we can then edit these various options with an error bar. So we can have both. You can edit the vertical error bars, the direction. We can have both plus and minus, or you can just have just minus or just plus. We can have it change the end style, so you can have no end cap, or you can have an end cap. If we are doing it based on a percentage or fixed value, we can have the error be based on that. So for example, we can have it be based on fixed value, percentage, or standard deviation, and we can even select the standard deviations that we want to see. So let's say you want to see two standard deviations instead of just one, we can do that. And I know we're thinking it's probably popping up a little bit funky on this graph. That's because this is a stacked error chart. This is a stacked column chart. It's going to look a little bit different, like a normal bar chart, than it is going to be the stacked column chart. But yeah, you can also select custom and specify a value, where here we can enter either just a value or even a formula for the positive error value or the negative error value, which is really cool because you can have the error be based on something that's not anything that Excel defaults into, giving a lot of flexibility into how you add and edit these. You can also edit the color of these as well too. So one thing that we see with this error bar is that it kind of, the colors are pretty strong and you just don't see them very well. So we can make the color from gray. Why not make it black, right? So it pops a bit more. And then we can edit the transparency and the width. And this is great too because if you're going to have multiple error bars in your graph, you can have one error bar stand out amongst the others. You can also change the compound type, the cap dash type, cap type, join type. I'm not going to walk through all these options, but I just kind of want to make you aware that they are available. Click on this little shape right here. You can even have edit different effects. This one's probably the least useful of the three options for editing error bars, but I just kind of want to show you that you can do it. If you have soft edges, you can have a glow. You can change the size or the color of a shadow, so you can add a shadow if you want to. I might look, just kind of showing you how Excel can give a lot of flexibility in how you edit your graphs. As you can see, there's not a shadow around the error bar. And yeah, I just kind of wanted to show you how you can edit your error bars in Excel. And to take them off, you can just click on them and can click minus or backspace. And then you can get rid of individual error bars like that. Or you can just click on the plus again and then uncheck error bars, and now they're gone. That's it. Hope you found this quick tutorial to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment, and thank you for watching. Hope you all have a great day.